Today I'm making Maria Emmerich's Easy Blender Cake, but instead of turning it into one big cake, I am making cupcakes. This recipe is really simple because everything comes together in the blender, which makes cleanup a whole lot easier too. I'm going to add my sweetener, heavy cream, melted butter, eggs, vanilla, almond flour, cocoa powder, coconut flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and hot water. And now I'm just going to blend everything together until the batter is nice and smooth. I love recipes like this because they feel very low effort, but you still end up with something that looks and tastes like a wonderful dessert. Once the batter is blended, I'm going to pour them into some cupcake liners. I am going to fill each one of them evenly so they bake up nicely. These are going to go into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 16 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out nice and clean. While those cool, I'm going to get ready to frost them. Now, I didn't have anything homemade ready for a frosting, and I wanted to keep this nice and easy, so I'm going to use FitBake cream cheese frosting. FitBake did send me this frosting, so I wanted to give it a try here. One thing that is nice about it is that it's shelf stable, so it can be convenient to keep on hand for times when you want a quick and easy option. Now that the cupcakes are cooled, I'm going to frost the tops. I'm going to keep it simple and just dropping a dollop on top. These turned out to be rich and chocolatey and really fudgy and moist. And frosting them makes them feel a little more finished without adding extra work. If you want an easy keto chocolate dessert, this is a really good one to keep in mind.
Okay. He's back.
Here I am.
Look at that. It's been forever.
And a day.
I forced him to be in the video because I wanted to prove to everybody that you didn't run off with some hot young woman.
I didn't have a choice.
You didn't have a
She
choice.
forced me into it.
I sure did. All right, so.
She didn't have to force me into a video with her cooking.
Not today?
Not ever.
All right, so this is what we got going on. These are cupcakes. I did a video. I think
they can see that.
I made Maria Emmerich's. Can't be doing that on video. You're perfect.
I don't think so.
Okay, so I made Maria Emmerich's blender cake recipe. It's called Easy Blender Cake, but it's made with almond flour, and I'm usually not a fan of I really am not a fan of almond flour, but I have it, so I wanted to use it. So we'll see. We'll see how they are. And I know you like cake. And I didn't have the ingredients for frosting, and I had a company send me frosting in the mail, so I thought, what a better way to use it up. So this is how we're testing it out. So the frosting is from FitBake, so we are going to test it out. So it's, eat the f***ed up one. Perfect.
Eat the bleep one.
Okay, so let's test it out. They look okay, but it's kind of weird because every single one sunk down in the middle. I don't know if that's normal.
It's called imploding.
It did implode. They look kind of fudgy. I don't know. Fudge.
For you people that get what that is.
A Christmas Story. They smell chocolatey. Look at that. I have to say,
have a nice day.
You are still corny. They're pretty good. I'm really not a fan of almond flour, but they're kind of good. They actually are kind of fudgy. Huh. They actually are kind of fudgy.
Tastes like a chocolate cupcake with white frosting.
Yeah. Now, when I took this frosting out of the container, it says to use it at room temperature, so it's kind of runny. I had like this piping bag that I was gonna make the frosting pretty, and it was kind of runny. So I just spooned it on, and I thought, well, the little dip in the middle was perfect because it was
What?
What? I spooned it. I told you he's a pervert. Anyway, I thought, see that little concave bit? I thought, well, that was perfect because that's a perfect little place for the little spoon to hold the frosting. So after that, I put it in the fridge, and it kind of got hard in the fridge. The frosting did, and it's kind of good. Yeah, kind of good. I like it better cold than at room temperature.
We got some more fudge coming.
What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh. He's being silly.
Here's our little chocolate beer cup.
Our little fudge dog.
Your little fudge dog.
Anyways.
What a good boy.
So, Maria Emmerich, I think, is a wizard in the kitchen because she made me like almond flour. And I normally do not like almond flour. So, I will put her recipe in the description and a link to her website because I love her. Anyways, I will also put a link to the keto frosting from FitBake. Oh, I think his fur is gonna get on our fudgy cupcakes.
Let me put you down, buddy.
Anyways, I will put a link to the FitBake icing down below as well. So if y'all want to check that out, it is a shelf-stable icing that you guys can check it out if you want. So we are going to sign off here, and we are going to go enjoy the hot tub on this beautiful March day.
In Southern California.
In Southern California. So we are going to catch you again here next time. Would you like the rest of my fudgy brownie cupcake?
If you stop eating it.
All right, sorry. We have not eaten yet today. I just made...
I thought that you wouldn't want to give it to me. You were just...
I'm going to have to bring these to work. It made a lot.
She's like this. Would you like the rest of my cupcake?
I know. Well, because it really is good and I'm hungry. It's like 2 in the afternoon. We have not eaten yet. And I feel like my first meal should not be a cupcake. But...
guess what?
it is.
Write that down.
Anyways,
Uh-oh.
Maria had made her recipe into a bundt cake, but I made cupcakes. So I'm gonna ask my husband what he wants to do with these. Does he want to keep them or bring them to work? He's keeping them. I do not trust myself with all of these, but I will put them in a special place in the fridge. And he will be eating these, not me. I may have 1 or 2, but these will be his treat, not mine. So,
I'm going to show the other little guy.
oh, he wants to show you our other wiener. But I just made the viral pickle dip as well from TikTok. If you want to see that recipe, I will link it here as well. It is delicious. I love it. Here's our other wiener, Willie. Silly Willie. You a good boy? You a good boy? All right, y'all, we are going to sign off and go enjoy the sun. Thanks for joining us. And if you've been wondering where we have been sick for most of February. We had the horrible influenza A, and it took us forever to get over it.
Bronchitis.
Yep, but we're back. We're back and better than ever.
Run off with another woman. I wouldn't do that to you.
All right, y'all. Thanks for joining us.
You're too good to me.
You hear that? You heard it from the horse's mouth.
It's her world. I just live in it, but she treats me like no other woman can.
All right. You heard it here first, people.
I'm a lucky man.
And I'm not twisting his arm to say it. Stop
You
it.
see, I only got one arm in the picture.
Stop it. All right, y'all. We will catch you again here next time. Bye.